Welcome to this guide on resume screening. In this video, we will explore how to efficiently evaluate job applications and shortlist the best candidates for your team. Whether you are a new recruiter or a hiring manager, this process is essential for saving time and finding top talent. Resume screening is the process of reviewing job applications to determine if a candidate is qualified for a role. Think of it as a funnel. You start with many applicants, and through screening, you filter out those who are unqualified to find the few best matches. This crucial first step saves you from interviewing candidates who aren't a good fit. Before you open a single resume, you need a blueprint. Define your criteria clearly. Distinguish between must-haves like specific degrees or essential technical skills and nice-to-haves like preferred industry experience. Remember, do not reject a candidate just because they miss a nice-to-have item. Focus on the essentials first. Studies show recruiters spend about 6 seconds on an initial scan. Here is what they look at: name and current title, current company and dates to check for employment stability, previous position to see career trajectory, and education. This quick scan helps you decide if a resume is worth a deeper read. Next, hunt for keywords that match your job description. Look for hard skills, which are teachable abilities like Python programming or accounting. Also, scan for soft skills, which are behavioral traits like leadership or teamwork. Matching these keywords ensures the candidate has the foundational tools for the job. Keep an eye out for red flags. Typos indicate a lack of attention to detail. Unexplained gaps in employment might need clarification. Frequent job hopping could suggest a lack of commitment. Also, be wary of vague descriptions that list responsibilities without mentioning any concrete achievements. Analyze the candidate's career progression. Are they staying in the same role for 10 years without growth, or are they moving up? Look for promotions, increased responsibilities, or management experience. This tells you if a candidate is driven and capable of handling more complex tasks. Many companies use Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS. The ATS acts as a robot filter, rejecting resumes with bad formatting or low keyword matches. However, the human recruiter, that is you, is still needed to evaluate context, potential, and cultural fit that a computer might miss. Evaluating soft skills on paper can be tricky, but it is possible. Look for evidence. For leadership, did they mentor a team? For results, do they have numbers like increased sales by 20%? Specific examples in the resume often translate to real-world soft skills. We all have unconscious biases. You might prefer someone who went to your university or hesitate because of a candidate's location. Awareness is key. Try to focus purely on skills, experience, and qualifications. Some recruiters even use blind screening, covering names to ensure fair evaluation. Finally, categorize your candidates into 3 piles. The yes pile is for those meeting all requirements. Contact them immediately. The maybe pile is for backups who lack minor skills. The no pile is for unqualified applicants. This system keeps your hiring process organized and efficient. To recap, define your criteria, use the 6-second scan, match keywords, watch for red flags, check your bias, and sort your candidates. By following these steps, you will build a strong shortlist and be ready to conduct effective interviews.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.